Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Japan's capacity utilization will be released at 4:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index will be released at 5 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. Italy's Trade Balance EU at 8 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks rose after a strong outlook from Oracle fueled optimism around artificial intelligence, offsetting worries about tension in the Middle East and a drop in Boeing shares. Oracle surged 14% to record highs after the cloud service provider raised its annual revenue growth forecast. Tether, the issuer of the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization, continues its buying spree with its 32% stake acquisition in Canada's public gold royalty firm Elemental Altus Royalties. The investment marks a milestone in Tether's strategy to integrate long-term stable assets. The dollar has sunk to its lowest in 3 years as rapidly changing US trade policy unsettles markets and expectations build for Federal Reserve rate cuts, fueling outflows from the world's biggest economy.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar dropped 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.